Hello everyone. Good morning students. Dear students, in previous class we discussed about the chapter exponent and powers, and in that chapter we discussed about so many laws of exponents. We solve question based on standard form. We solve the convert the given number in expanded form. Okay, and we completed your NCRT exercise of that chapter. Dear students, today we are going to discuss about the new chapter of your syllabus, which is symmetry, which is chapter number 14. Your new chapter is what? Symmetry. Dear students, this chapter is very important for you. First, please clear the concept of symmetry. Dear students, symmetry means what? Suppose that if we have any shape of figure, if we divide the figure in such a way कि one part of the figure is superposed to each other, means if any geometrical figure divide in such a way कि two which have two equal part, if we place to one upon, then it wholly covers to each other. Okay, suppose means that if any geometrical figure, suppose that if any geometrical figure divide in such a way कि it divide this, if a line divides any geometrical figure in two equal parts, then that line is called the line of symmetry. Okay, means symmetry is a line which divide. Line of symmetry is a line that divides the any geometrical figure in two equal parts. So please first listen carefully of the concept of symmetry. Please listen. Dear students, symmetry is an important geometrical concept. Okay, it is an important geometrical concept commonly exhibited in nature, and is used most in every field of activities like artists, professionals, designers of clothing, okay, or jewelry, car manufacturers, architects, and many other make use of the idea of symmetry. Okay, the behaves the flowers, the trees, leaves, religious symbol, rugs, and uh, handkerchiefs everywhere you and symmetrical designs. We observe, we see the so many examples based on symmetry in our daily life. Okay, dear students, you have already had a field of a line of symmetry in your previous classes, and suppose a figure has a line symmetry if there is a line about which the figure may be folded so that the two parts of the figure will coincide. Just I discussed about that. Dear students, any figure has a line of symmetry if there is a line about which if we folded the figure, if there will be about which the figure may be folded so that the two parts of the figure will coincide, means superposed to each other. Okay, so any figure has a line of symmetry if there is a line about which is a figure may be folded, that the two parts of the figure will coincide. So it is said to be any figure has a line of symmetry. Okay, now dear students, first we discuss about the line of symmetry for regular polygons. First we discuss about the line of symmetry for regular polygons. For regular polygon. Okay, we discuss about the line of symmetry for regular polygon. Regular polygon, you know that if any shapes have the same sides and equal angle, and then it equal angle and side, then they are said to be regular polygon. Like as equilateral triangle is an example of regular polygon. Okay, a polygon is a segment bounded by line segments. Okay, now let's please listen carefully. Dear students, you know that a polygon is a closed figure made of several line segments. Any figure closed by a several line segments is known as polygon. Polygon is what? Dear students, any figure closed by several line segments is called what? Polygon. You know that very well. Dear students, any figure closed by several line segment is called what? Polygon. Okay, the polygon made up of the least number of line is the triangle. Any polygon which polygon has the least number of line? Triangle, because of a triangle has only 3 line of segment. Okay, so if we ask any question ki which figure has a least number of line segments, then your answer is triangle, because our triangle has only 3 line segments. Because of our triangle is a line segment bounded is a closed figure bounded by 3 line segments na. So it and as well as triangle has least number of line segments. Okay, so triangle has least number of what? Line. So which polygon has a least number of line segment? Then your answer is what? Triangle. Triangle has least number of line segment. Okay, now let's listen carefully. A polygon is said to be regular. Any polygon is said to be regular in which condition? Dear students, any polygon is said to be regular if all its sides are equal length and all its angle are equal measures. So we can say that in this way, if any polygon is said to be regular if they have equal sides as well as they have equal angle measure. Okay, then it is said to be regular polygon. So first you can clear the concept of regular polygon. Regular polygon, what? In dear student, in regular polygon what? All sides are equal. Two important thing is that all sides are equal and all angles are also equal. All angles are also equal. So dear student, this is the concept of regular polygon. If a question put you, if I ask a question, you write the 2 examples of regular polygon, then what is write the 2 examples of regular polygon, then your answer is what? Your answer is the examples of regular polygons are examples of regular polygon. First one, what? Equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle. Second one is square. Okay, because of you know that very well, dear student, in equilateral triangle each sides are equal, all sides are equal, AB is equal to BC is equal to CA, and each angle equal to 60 degree. Each angle equal to 60 degree. So it is an example of what? Regular polygon. Okay, so dear students, an equilateral triangle is an example of regular polygon because of it. In equilateral triangle all sides are equal and each angles are also equal, which is equal to 60 degrees. Same as in square. Square is a polygon because of it is a closed figure bounded by 4 line segments na. So it is said to be polygon. Regular polygon, why it is said to be regular polygon? Because of in dear student, in square all sides are equal. AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to AD. in, dear student, in square all sides are equal, okay, and each angle is also equal to 90 degree. You know that each angle equal to 90 degree. So by the concept of regular polygon, any polygon is said to be regular if they have equal sides as well as equal degree measures. So dear student, in square all sides are equal and each angle equal to 90 degree, right angle each equal to 90 degree. So it is also called a regular polygon. So in this way you give your answer, examples of regular polygon. Now clear? Yes. Now let's listen, please listen carefully. Thus an equilateral triangle is a regular polygon of three sides. It is clear? Okay. Now if I ask you a question, can you name the regular polygon of four sides? Yes, then your answer is square, because it is also an example of regular polygons of four sides. Now an equilateral triangle is a regular because if of each side has same length and each its angle measures 60 degrees. Now it is clear. Now another example of regular polygon is square, because of a square is also the example of regular polygon because of its all its sides are equal length and each of its angles is a right angle and its diagonal are seen to be perpendicular bisector of one another. So it is clear that now. Okay. Now dear students, a regular hexagon, has what, 6 sides na? Let's see. A hexagon also a regular polygon. Now let dear students, pentagon and hexagon is also a regular polygon because of if all sides are equal. Let's see the shape of the one, two, three, four, five. All sides are equal and each angle equal to measuring 108 degrees. So the polygon of pentagon has five sides. All sides are equal and each angle equal to 108. So it is also an example of regular polygon. Same as regular hexagon has all its sides equal and each of its angle measure 120 degree. Okay, so it is also an example of regular polygon of has 6 sides, which have the 6 sides. Let's see. One, two, three, four, five, six. Okay. Hexagon is also a regular hexagon has all its side. Hexagon is also a regular polygon. Example of regular polygon because of all of its sides has equal. I mean hexagon has 6 sides. How many sides? 6 sides. And pentagon has what? 5 sides, which have both have regular polygon. It has 5. This is an example of regular polygon of 5 sides. This is an example of regular polygon of 6 sides. Okay, each of its measuring of angle is 120 degree and here 108 degree. Okay, each of its angle is equal to 120 and all sides are equal, so it is said to be hexagon is also the example of regular polygon. Now dear students, the regular polygon are symmetrical figure and hence their line of symmetry are quite interesting. Dear students, any regular polygon has are symmetrical figures, no? Yes. So and hence their line of symmetry are quite interesting. Now let us take some example of regular polygon and their line of symmetry. Let's see. Now we take examples of, we discuss about examples of examples of regular polygons and their line of their lines of symmetry. Okay, now let us take. Dear students, here we discuss about the examples of regular polygons and their lines of symmetry. Regular polygons, clear that any polygon is said to be regular polygon if they have all sides in which all sides are equal and each angle is also equal, then it is said to be a regular polygon. Now here we take some examples of regular polygons and their lines of symmetry. Now first example, take an equilateral triangle ABC. Here we take ABC is a equilateral triangle. Okay, first it is also a regular polygon. Second example, we take a square ABCD. Third example is pentagon ABCDE. Okay.